Hi guys, it's your favorite teacher, Kaumaji Mwanza, and welcome to Learning Science the Easy Way. So for those that are watching me for the first time, on this platform, I teach sciences, that is junior science, physics, and chemistry. So I'm encouraging you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be able to receive a notification whenever a new video is posted. In this video, I'm going to discuss a simple pendulum, which is one of the instruments that is used to measure time. Okay, so the simple pendulum is an instrument that is used to measure time, which uses the regular swing known as the oscillation of the bulb. So we are saying the simple pendulum is an instrument that is used to measure time, which uses the regular swing called oscillation of the bulb. So a simple pendulum consists of the string or thread. Then at the same time, it also consists of the bulb. So again, we have to understand what the term oscillation is. Oscillation simply means the swing of the bulb from left to right and back to its starting point. So the swing of the bulb from left to right and back to its starting point. Point or position. So we are saying when a bulb moves from left, it goes to right and comes back to the starting point. Then we say the bulb has made a complete oscillation. Now, let's look at this diagram which we have here. So we are saying when the bulb moves from A to C and back to A, it means it has moved a complete oscillation. So in a situation where a bulb moves from A to B, it moves 1/4 of an oscillation. Then again, in a situation where the bulb moves from A to C, it moves half an oscillation, which is the second quarter. Then again, when it moves from A to C and back to B, it has moved 3/4. Now, when it moves from A to C and back to A, it means it has moved one complete oscillation. So the time that is taken for a complete oscillation is called the period of the pendulum. So we are saying period of the pendulum is the time taken for a complete oscillation. So therefore, period of the pendulum is given by the formula time taken, which is noted with small letter t, and number of oscillations. Number of oscillations. So let's look at this example, which is what is the period of the pendulum if it takes 1.5 seconds to go from X to Z and back to Y. So the bulb moves from X to Z and back to Y, meaning it did not make a complete oscillation because it moved from X to Z and back to Y. So this kind of an oscillation is 3/4. That is the oscillation which was made. So it's 3/4 of an oscillation. So therefore, when we write our data, we'll say period, that is what is being calculated, then time taken, which is 1.5 seconds, and number of oscillations, which is 3/4. So we are going to say period is equal to time taken divided by n, which is 1.5 divided by 3/4. If you're using the calculator here, it is very easy for you to find the answer. Now, in a situation where you are not using the calculator, you say 1.5 times 4/3. So what we have done here is that we've changed the sign from the divisible sign to the multiplication sign. When you put the multiplication sign here, you write the reciprocal of 3/4. So the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3, which is going to give you, when you multiply 1.5 times 4, you have 6.0. Then this one divided by 3, you are going to have 2.0 seconds. So the 2.0 seconds is the period. That is the period. So you can use the same period calculated to calculate the frequency, which is just the number of complete oscillations per second. So therefore, frequency is given by 1/t, which is equal to, if we use this one, we are going to have 1/2.0, which will give us 0.5 Hz. So this is our frequency. So in short, if you are given a question about the simple pendulum and you are told to calculate the period and thereafter calculate the frequency, so you use the period calculated to calculate the frequency. I hope you followed through. Thank you very much for watching.